In today's popular games like Counter-Strike, Call of Duty, Rainbow Six Siege, and others, we'll be watching the factory production of the MP5K, a weapon that has become a symbol of quick reflexes, close-range combat, and precise control at short distances. In these popular games, the MP5K is often highlighted for its high mobility and controllable handling. It's widely considered a close-range specialist among players. However, behind this recognition lies a serious engineering and industrial production history spanning decades. The origins of the MP5K can be traced back to the rise of German firearms engineering. The MP5 family was first developed in the mid-1960s. The MP5K variant emerged as a more compact, portable, and space-optimized interpretation of this design. The letter K comes from the German word kurz, meaning short. This compact structure is directly reflected in the factory production processes of the design. The MP5K's journey begins with the raw metal entering the factory. At this stage, the metal components are still shapeless and non-functional. After being measured, classified, and aligned for the production line, they are prepared for machining. In the metalworking section, the parts begin to take their initial shape. The aim at this stage is to ensure durability, symmetry, and surface integrity. None of the components are painted yet. All surfaces remain natural, gray, and raw metal. This is a conscious choice that increases control over the production process. In later stages, the parts are inspected for pre-assembly compatibility, surface consistency, and dimensional homogeneity. At this point, the human factor is critical. Experienced personnel visually and tactily evaluate the machine-produced components. One of the most striking aspects of MP5K production is the balance between mass production and precision. The parts are standardized, but each must reflect the same level of quality. Therefore, the production line progresses in a repetitive but carefully controlled rhythm.